morning ka-trippers! Another episode na naman tayo. Today is our last day here in Tokyo. And later this evening, we will go to Osaka. Pero bago ang lahat, i-meet muna natin ang high school classmate ni YP. Now, let's go! Organized ng Japan talaga. So napaka-busy rito sa Shinagawa train. Time is 9:35 AM. So busy talaga dahil ito ang bagsakan ng mga tourists from Haneda Airport.
I'll be there at the after party. Show up looking like a zombie. It don't matter, nobody stop me. I'll be there, just tell me when.
So, ayan na, mag-meet na sila ng classmate niya. 30 years sila hindi nagkita. Ngayon, dito sila nagkita sa Japan. Hi! Hi! Ayan. Ilang years? 30 years.
Eh, dito ko kayo inaano kasi malapit lang ang Tokyo Tower. Nakapunta na kayo Tokyo Tower? Mag-lunch tayo. Oo.
Ngayon sa Tokyo Tower. Hi! Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Japan!
Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Tokyo Tower!
Okay, dito ngayon tayo sa Odaiba, sa deck view. So, ayan sila. Dito kami sa kabilang side ng viewing deck. So dito tayo sa Extreme.
Morning menu.
Morning menu. Hot tea, Earl Grey.
Okay. Pancakes. Uyu kudasai. Uyu.
One glass.
Uyu pa rin. One glass only?
Two?
Two glass.
Dito tayo ngayon sa Odaiba Gundam. Unicorn Gundam. Voltage 5. 1,100. Itong white na to, Gundam. Yan. So, kung gusto niyo mag-collect ng Gundam dito sa Odaiba, ito maganda. So, so yung mga nagko-collect ng ganitong collectible items, takay dito. So dito pa rin tayo sa Odaiba at makikita natin dito ang cherry blossom. Dito na kami sa Odaiba Food Court at it's time for lunch.
1 hour later.
So, dito na tayo sa Tokyo Central Station. Masyado tayo maaga, 4 p.m. While ang traveling natin sa Osaka is 9 p.m. By the way, ka-trippers, we took sleeper bus going to Osaka. We booked our tickets 2 weeks before our departure at nakakuha ako ng magandang discounts. Pwede mo din i-try, why not? You can go to the webpage of thewheelertravel.com and follow according to your destination and travel dates. By the way, ang travel distance ito ay 610 kilometers at ang travel time ay 11 hours.
I'll be there at the after party. Show up looking like a zombie. It don't matter, nobody stop me. I'll be there, just tell
Osaka.
me.
To Osaka. Ay, okay ba? Ano ba? Arigato.
Damn, I'm a long way home in a split road. Gotta make a choice, do I sober? Am I trying to keep it going to be continued, or am I trying to lose? Gonna not keep moving up. I don't think I wanna leave at a tough week. Gotta realize this is what I need. By the time to be counting sheep, it's too late. I'm into
Bus will stop at Kyoto Station Hashijo Gate, Mimoyamada, Wheeler Bus Terminal, Osaka, Ameda. We would like to inform you of the request for a comfortable travel by bus. Please use cough etiquettes such as using a mask or covering your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing.
Two hours later.
So, ito stopover ng 2 a.m. para sa gusto ng toilet at mag-coffee. Umuulan pa ngayon. So, wala akong nakikitang benta ng coffee, but ito madaming mga vendor machine.
ご使用になられたリクライニング、フットレストは元の位置にお戻しください。Ladies and gentlemen, in about 10 minutes we will be arriving in Wheeler Bus Terminal Osaka, Ameda. For your safety, please stay seated. Thank you for traveling with us.
Morning, so we just arrived at 9 a.m. From Tokyo to Osaka. We are now in Osaka bus terminal. Pupunta tayo dun sa likod. Dun ang train station. Buti naman at hindi na siya umuulan kasi meron kaming 9 minutes walk to hotel from train station. So ditong street na to maraming Italian na resto. So lapit na naman umulan kaya dapat bilisan natin. So nakikita ko na yung hotel namin, Super Hotel Namba. mag-change muna kami ng clothes para mag-roam around here in Olfato. Napasyado kaming maaga, so 11 AM pa lang, but ang check-in time nila is 3 PM. So we decided to leave the baggage and then mag-roam around. First day in Osaka, first roaming around, first itinerary. Doon lang tatawid lang tayo doon sa Koromon market. Ayun siya, tatawid lang siya. Malapit lang sa hotel natin, Cross.
We will have our breakfast here.
Yeah, okay, this market.
Yes.
Sweet potato, 200. Hot sweet potato, paborito ni Ruth. Oh man, I don't know. Nakakagutom na dito, daming choices.
Nalilito ka.
More on parang Korean food sila.
Mura pa din ang ano nila. So
Oo, mura lang.
anyway,
Hi, Nano.
Lobster 3,000. Gusto mo yun? Yakisoba? Ang mga sweets.
magbubook kayo dito, libre ang alcoholic drinks. Libre siya from 2 PM to 8 PM. Sarap, enjoy, no? So, ang gagawin
Tsaka
na...
maganda yung ambience, no?
Very nice. Coffee. At latte, wala, ano?
Wala, sira yung isang machine. Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah. Dala na kayo rito ng mga snacks ninyo. Bumili kayo sa 7-Eleven, yung dinner ninyo. Budget tour.
We actually plan to have a coffee outside and then we remember na meron palang fee in the bar dito sa hotel for any beverages. So, yun. We got the idea to just bring some cookies or some donuts and sandwiches to have it with our coffee since we don't drink alcoholic beverages. So, it's also a good idea to stay here because yung ambience niya napakaganda na napakatahimik tapos yung light niya perfect sa mga pagod na kagaya namin sa paglalakad.
Yeah. Dito yung mga alcoholic drinks. Meron lemon, strawberry, melon, grapes, or chaser. Meron tayong red wine and white wine. Meron tayong peach liquor, plum, whiskey, gin, and Casey's liquor, vodka, and lemon sour liquor. So yan. Tapos andito yung coffee vending machine andito. At merong ice para sa mocktails, Calpis and Coke, Grape and Coke, meron carbonated energy drink, meron sparkling water, mineral water, and marami pang iba ito. Tapos kung hindi mo naman gusto na free drinks, meron din dito vending machine.